granulosa. Then for this external aperture of leech, we have to write about the mouth, anus, genital pore, female genital pore, male genital pore, then nephridiophore. You have to write the segment, in which segment it is present. Then about the locomotion of leech, the crawling movement and the swimming movement you have to write. What is bloodletting? It is allowing the blood to come out from the body so that the removal of toxic substance will happen. Parasitic adaptation of leech, you know the body of the leech is provided by the sucker. The anterior end and the posterior end is having the sucker, and the blood is sucked through the pharynx and it is stored in the crop, and it is having a unique substance called iridium which is present in the blood, so it won't allow the blood to clot. And in the mouth it is having 3 jaws. It gives the Y-shaped wound so that the victim won't feel the pain, so that the leech will take the blood as much it want. Then the taxonomic position of a rabbit, you have to write. What is then diastema? You remember that it is the gap between the incisor and the premolar, because canine is absent for that. The dental formula of the rabbit, that incisor 2/1, canine 0/0, premolar 3/2 and the molar 3/3. Then one more question, why the rabbit teeth is called heterodont? Because it is having different set of teeth and also 2 set of teeth, like the permanent teeth and the temporary teeth, that you have to talk about that also. Then the male reproductive system of rabbit is again the 5 mark. It is a long answer, may come in 4 mark or as a 7 mark also. What are the points you should write for this question? First you have to say that it is consists of the pair of testes which is ovoid in shape, and it is having numerous tubules, that is called seminiferous tubules, which is in turn connected to the epididymis, and epididymis it is having a duct called the vas deferens. Then you have to talk about the other accessory gland present in the rabbit reproductive system, that is the Cowper gland, then the prostrate gland, then the perineal gland. These are the important questions. If you are focusing for centum, you have to go through line by line of all the pages given in the book. Do you know question, more to know, and also the HOTS question. Hope you understand this lesson. Then I'll meet you in the another video.